Our next part of the Elastoproof range, which is also a critical area, are pipes and drains. As you know, every area that gets waterproofed, it's one thing to stop the water getting to the surface, but then the water's got to drain away or run somewhere. And so pipes are going to be prevalent on any area, whether it be an external podium or an internal bathroom or a toilet pan. So the problem with the industry has also been that, as you'll see from photos that you're seeing now, there's a pipe coming through a floor, and all that happens is it's sealed with a bit of silicone or sealant. And the problem is those pipes can move over time and that sealant breaks down. The Elastoproof collars overcome that. And in principle, what they are, like the joint band, it's a piece of elastic, and we have these in different sizes. So we have the small one, we have our medium-sized one, and then we have the Papa Bear, the big one, which can go through over different pipes, and I'll show you the way it works, which is quite simple. So we have our target marks on there because we normally cut the hole to fit about 60% of the diameter of the pipe. So if I've got a pipe that's 100 mil, I would cut this at 60 mil and then slide it over, and you'll see the principle behind it. So basically, I'm just going to line the target up like this, and even for a bit of a hack like me that's not the best of cutters, I've formed now a circle. And that circle, as you can see, would slide over the pipe. And as you see that photo now on the wall, the shower mixer, it's slid over there and the membrane is just holding it in place, and it gets wetted in. And that forms an elastic seal, okay? And so that pipe can move, and you'll never ever have the seal break around the pipe, whether that's from thermal movement or any actual maintenance that could be happening behind the wall or inside a floor ceiling where pipes from plumbers could move. And that will guarantee that seal is there for the life of the waterproofing system, which is far superior than any sealant. And the other advantage is it's compatible with the membrane. So with sealants, the other problem that happens a lot of the time is you might put a polyurethane or a silicone sealant there, you then paint your membrane over the top and find there's an incompatibility between the membrane and the sealant. This system avoids that. And so again, we can use this in an immersed area, in a water tank or a swimming pool. We can use it on an underground area, in a planter box or a retaining wall, external podiums and decks, and our bathrooms as well. And it's just the most simplest of systems. For an applicator, it virtually takes a few minutes to do, and you've got a guarantee for the life of the system.